How to download Adobe Premiere Pro on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can download Adobe Premiere Pro on either your Mac OS. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to download Adobe Premiere Pro on Mac, it is fairly simple to do so. Go to your browser, any browser you're using, whether Safari or Chrome, and type in Premiere Pro for Mac. And you'll find the first official link from Adobe's official website. So make sure to click on the official website and not other third-party sketchy ones. So when you do that, you'll find Premiere Pro. Mind you that Premiere Pro is not a free application. It will require you a subscription, and it's not even a one-time processing fee. It's a subscription-basis application where you can simply go to their website. And then, of course, if you want to try out a free trial also, you can click on the free trial button. You'll get a couple of days of free trial and then check whether you want to continue or cancel your subscription. And you can click the continue. If you want to buy it completely, then you can just start your subscription right away by clicking on the buy now button. You can see Premiere Pro, that will cost you for $2.99 a month, US dollars by the way. For Creative Cloud Pro as well, you'll get to pay about $70 a month. So depending on what it is, whether you're an individual or a business or a student and a teacher or a school or a university, there will be different licenses and there will be different terms and conditions and different price ranges to choose from. Once you've selected a certain price, you can enter your card information or any payment information. Once your payment is processed, you will get the download link for your Adobe Premiere Pro, which you'll be able to download it. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.